everybody, I'm Teresa from Crafty Bee, and thanks for joining our Q&A today. Before we begin, I'd like to go around and have you introduce yourself. Let us know what questions you have about stained glass. So why don't we start with you, Peter? Hi, I'm Peter Tato. You can just call me Poe. Just don't call me late for dinner. Yeah, dad joke. I'm really interested in stained glass and wondering how I can make it with, no arms. Well, awesome to meet you, Poe, and glad you're here. Well, we're creating the class with self-paced online classes, along with a live class that you can do from anywhere. It's perfect to have friends and family join and learn along with you. So, do you have anybody that would like to join you in class? Yeah. Oh, great. Yeah, my brother would like to join, but he's kind of famous, and he's not always available. Hey, not a problem. You can do the online class at your own pace, then join in the live whenever you like. Hey, how about you next, Dee? Yeah, great. My name's Dee, and I've actually been to a beginning glass class, but I've been having some trouble. Oh, okay. Well, then this is perfect for you. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks in class. Maybe those can help. Did you have any questions? Well, I've been working on a project for the dungeon, and when I pick up the glass, it just kind of melts, like lava. Same thing with the solder, just a big globby mess. Wow, okay, well, maybe we can try using some gloves or something. Sounds like maybe fused glass would be a great option for you, but okay. So, last but not least, how about you, lawyer? Please introduce yourself. Okay, but I'm a cat. Did you say you are not a cat? No, I am a cat. No opposable thumbs. Ah, okay. Well, maybe you could find some glass buddies, like Pop. Well, maybe Mom could help. She likes to make things, and I like to shove them off the counter. Makes her happy. Yeah, yeah, I bet. Yeah. But if you're going to break some glass, you better be wearing your safety glasses.